to Enchanting Eyes, where every week we bring you cruelty-free makeup tutorials. I am super duper excited about today's video. I did a Lush haul. Yay! Believe it or not, it is 2018, almost 2019, and I have barely tried Lush. I know, shameful. But I was so keen to try their stuff today. Reason number one, they are cruelty-free, and that just makes my heart so happy that companies like them are creating initiatives to go cruelty-free, and their products are so amazing that people are drawn to their products. So a little information for you about Lush if you've been living under a rock, as have I. They are cruelty-free, a lot of their products are vegan, they are handmade, and they are making a huge effort to reduce the amount of plastic that we use. So a lot of their shampoo bars have no plastic in them at all, and they're just making a huge effort to go environmentally friendly, animal friendly, and their products are amazing. They smell so good, they look good, their packaging is so beautiful, and when you walk into the shop you just like hit with this beautiful aroma. And I had the most positive experience trying them out today, and without further ado, if you want to see what Lush products I got in my little haul today, thank you for watching. So today the products that I got were, I got 2 bath bombs, and the one that I featured in today's video is called the Luxury Lash Pud Ballistic Bath Bomb, and it is like a super galactic like fusion of colors. It starts out pink and it fades to green. It's got a bit of blue in there, like it's just Kaylee says I'm yellow. Don't forget about yellow, very important. But it's just so super relaxing to look at. The bath bombs smelled so nice. I was instantly attracted to the bath bomb section because they just smell so good. And bonus, they had a 50% off special on the bath bombs for Christmas. So an average bath bomb that was like 70 bucks was like 35, something like that. So super bonus, and who doesn't love a good bath bomb to put in at the end of the day, grab a glass of wine and a good book and just relax and unwind in a bath. So the other bath bomb that I got was the Twilight bath bomb, which was came highly recommended from all the Lush videos that I watched, and everyone said that it smells amazing and that it has super relaxing qualities in it. It has a lot of almond oil in it and a lot of very relaxing, soothing scents in it, and it's a beautiful pink color, and I will let you guys know maybe on a little Instagram video what I think of that. I'm super keen to try that. I'm going to take it for myself, unwind, put it in, and I'm so excited. Okay, another highly recommended product that I wanted to try was the Ocean Salt Face and Body Scrub, and this was such good money spent, and it is made with, ooh, it says lime and vodka chopped up into this product. I didn't actually know that. And obviously sea salt is the main ingredient, as well as an infusion of grapefruit. So what you do is that you apply a little bit of it onto wet skin and you rub it in, and it's basically just a really nice exfoliation. Big bummer on my part. One of the things on my list, because I went to Lush with a list, I knew exactly what I wanted to try, and I was desperate to try the cup of coffee face mask that came highly recommended. I picked it up and proceeded to pick up my sleepy lotion and put my cup of coffee down. So very disappointed with myself. I'll have to try that on another video, but that came highly recommended as well as one of the top face mask products. So I picked up 2 hair care products today. One of them was the hot oil hair repair, and the name of it is called Damaged, and that you put into a cup and you dissolve it with hot water, and then it thickens into a paste. You apply that onto dry hair and you leave that in your hair for 20 minutes, and then you wash it out. I loved that product. My hair is left feeling silky smooth. I don't feel like I have any flyaways or like my ends are looking like scraggly. My hair just feels really soft, and I feel like it's also looking really shiny. I highly recommend that as a product to use Not all the time, because you're out of you only get one use out of it, but on special occasions when you feel your hair really needs a proper thorough treatment, skip going to the salon and just use this bad boy at home because it really worked out nicely. Okay, the other hair care product that I got that came highly recommended from all the YouTube videos that I have been watching about Lush is the Roots hair treatment. Okay, so another stuff up on my side, I think I was just so excited and overwhelmed by all of the things that I wanted to get that I didn't take the time to read like properly all the little instructions. So upon reading more about Roots hair treatment, it says that it contains fresh mint infusion, and if you open up the bottle and you smell it, you can definitely get like a strong waft of mint. And I must be the only person on the face of this earth that is actually allergic to mint since I was like 5 years old. So I think I am going to go and take this and swap this out for my cup of coffee mask or get another hair treatment in a different flavor. Another highly anticipated product on my list that I did actually get and does actually work for my skin type is the Sleepy Body Lotion. So a little information about me. In high school I had really bad insomnia, probably all throughout high school, and I sort of go through waves of it. So at the moment I'm currently going through that phase again, so I'm super keen to try this out and see if it works because it's got an extremely comforting, relaxing smell about it. And it is infused with oatmeal, almond oil, lavender water, lavender flower, and I never know how to say this, jojoba oil, as well as cocoa butter. I had a little bit of this onto my arms earlier on and it just felt super hydrating. So another reason, just building on why I love Lush, I'm talking about like I've had so much experience with them, but I've always loved their branding and their message behind their products, and I've always been attracted to their campaigns. And another interesting thing about them is that on their products it says that you can return 5 Lush pots or tubes with this logo and get 1 fresh mask free, made from 100% recycled plastic. Reuse it or bring it back. So I love their initiative to reduce plastic, to reduce animal testing. They are making a big effort to make the products feel homemade, to offer employment to people to produce these products as opposed to mass producing things. They are dedicated to bringing you products that are of high quality. So I'm really keen and excited about brands going forward that have such a heart for the consumer and the environment and the animals, and it's just a very well-rounded, holistic product. If you enjoyed this Lush haul and review, then please give this video a thumbs up, comment below, let us know if you'd like to see any other reviews of products specifically from Lush that we didn't mention today, and let us know below which are your favorite Lush products. Thanks for watching guys, we'll see you next week, bye!